Okay, next, we have 2y plus 5 multiplied by 2y minus 5. Step 1, same ba yung first term?
Yes.
How about the second term?
Yes.
What is the operation? Plus and minus. Use this pattern. Identify what is the value of A. 2y. And what is the second term? This is the value of B. Then substitute to the given pattern. So what is A?
2y.
This will become 2y squared. Minus, what is B? 5 squared. Then after that, simplify. Multiply 2y twice. 2 times 2. 4. Y times y. Y squared. Minus 5 times 5. 25. Therefore, this is the answer. The given for number 4 is 3x plus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2. Again, step 1, identify natin if we can use that pattern. How to identify? Check natin yung first term. They are the same?
Yes.
How about the second term?
Yes.
Okay, if yes, second is tingnan mo yung operation sa gitna. Dapat isang plus at isang kapag ganyan ang given, pwede natin gamitin yung pattern na ito. A squared minus B squared. Okay, the value of A will be the first term. What is the first term here? 3x. And what is the second term?
2.
Okay, after that, substitute here. So what is A? 3x. Then don't forget to use parenthesis, ha? Minus, what is B? 2. Then after that, simplify. Multiply 3x, how many times? Okay, 2 or twice. So 3 times 3? X times x. X squared. Minus 2 times 2. Okay, therefore, this is the answer.